Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Arctic set 60377 from 2023 to 2025, and it's the Arctic Exploration boat. You get 2 sea turtles, a hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark's mouth can open and close, and you also get this beautiful stingray. And also this underwater scenery piece, and there are 3 minifigures in the set, 2 female and 1 male, and also you can open the window of the boat to take the minifigure that rides the boat out, and this would make a nice addition to your LEGO city, and also the snowmobile would also make a nice addition to your LEGO city for the Arctic theme. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.